Hi there, students of Resurrection. This is Teacher Hana. Today I decided to bring you guys a pancake recipe that only requires 3 ingredients. If you would like to see how I make them, please keep watching. So the 3 ingredients that you're going to need today are 2 eggs, 1 ripe banana, and a little bit of salt. Today I'm using pink Himalayan salt. So the very first step when it comes to cooking is to wash your hands. Teacher Hana has already washed her hands with warm water and soap, and now I am all ready to do the next step, which is a very simple step. You want to grab your banana and peel it. Then I want you to break the banana, put it into a bowl, grab a fork, and mash it all up. Mash, 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 mash. So once you have mashed your bananas, it should look something like this. Nice and mushy. Use all your muscles. Okay, perfect. That step was very easy. The next step, friends, might be a little bit tricky. You might need to ask your parents for help. What you're gonna do is grab your egg and crack 2 eggs into the bowl. There goes 1 egg and 2 eggs. I have a little shell in mind, so what I'm gonna do is take one of my eggshells and scoop out the shell. Perfect. So the next step is to now mix all together. Okay, now that the eggs and the banana are nicely incorporated together, the next step is to grab a little bit of our salt and to crack just a little bit, or to sprinkle a little bit of salt, and then to mix, mix, mix. Okay friends, so for this next step, I want you to definitely ask a parent or guardian for help. We're gonna be using heat, and that can be very dangerous. I want you to ask them to heat your pan to medium and to drizzle a little bit of oil inside the pan. The next step was to carefully ladle a very thin layer onto the pan using medium to low heat. The consistency of these pancakes are going to be very runny because they don't contain any flour in them. So the key and the trick is to take your time and to make it very, very thin. Okay friends, and here is the final product. I had some fresh strawberries at home that I chopped over on top, and you can use maple syrup or honey to drizzle over. The pancakes are actually very sweet as is, so maybe you don't even need it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe and have a great day. Please stay healthy, friends.